Hello guys, welcome back to my channel Anshu. Today I am going to show you how to use CSS and what's the uses of CSS and what's the power of CSS. By using CSS we can build our pages or website makes beautiful and attractive. So don't waste any time. Now let's get started today's topic. So first open your VS Code. Make sure you open your VS Code. First of all, I'm just adjusting my VS Code. Okay, so create a file. Make sure you create your file. I'm just creating my file and write the HTML code. So my today's topic is basically my today's class is based on CSS, how to use CSS and how to our HTML page makes attractive by using CSS. So suppose I want to create some div. You just create a name like menu. This is my first div. Inside the div I write some heading like h1. This is my class. Okay, now I'm going to run my code on live server. You can see the page is created. This is my class. So I want to give some CSS so it not looks like so good. So if you want to make attractive, so use CSS. CSS is very important to make a page attractive. So you can use first of all style. Write style. Inside the style you write all the properties of CSS. So whenever you give a property of CSS, you make sure you use ID or classes. I use div ID, so I give the properties of ID. This is the symbol of ID, and write menu. Inside menu, if you want to give some width or height, so I put some width, like I put a width. Suppose I put 80% width of the whole page, and I also give some height. Suppose the height is 500 pixel. If you want to show my pages work, what's the width or height is given, so you can also give border 1 pixel solid red. You can see after refreshing my page, you can see this is how the pages look like. If you want to give some other, if you want to give this text is middle, it's not look, it's a left hand side totally. So I just use text align center. Just refresh and you can see my heading is on center. I also, if you want to give some color of this text, so you just attach the h1 heading and write some color. So I want to give the color of h1, so write color. I want blue color, so gives blue. Once you refresh, you can see our heading is like blue color. Also you want to give some background color of div. So you can also give the background color of div. You can see background color of div. Whatever you want and write. I just choose aqua and just refresh the image. You can see our background color is looking like div. Or you can also remove the border radius, no matter. Okay, so the front side is not okay, so you just increase the font size of h1. Suppose it's a 30 pixel. Oh, it's too short, so I just choose 60 pixel. So it looks better now. Okay, I just also want to change the font family, font style. So I choose font family. You can choose the style. I just choose the Arial, and just as you can see my font style is changed. So this is the way you can change the color and most of the properties of your HTML part. I create another div. Inside this div I just give the class container. So I want to catch this div. Inside the container I write some paragraph lorem. So I want to give the style of this container. So dot is the symbol of a class, so I use dot container. You want to give the width and height. Width is my first container width is 80%, so I give 50%, and I also give the height. It's about 200 pixel. Okay, I just also give the border radius so that you can understand easily. Now I refresh my page. You can see this is my page is created. So this is not look so good, so I give some margin. I give some margin auto. Okay, you can see the margin auto is perfectly work fine. So I also want to change the background color. Can use background color as I choose the background color blue. Okay, it's fine. Now I want to access p tag. How I will access p tag? So that if you want catch the p tag, you just directly write p, or you can also one way to catch the p tag. You write just container and give a slash and p. Just write it and change the color of p. I just put the color of p is like brown, and also change the font size. It looks so small, so I choose font size and also choose a font family. Sorry for that. Font family ranking Arial, and I also, so it's not look so good. My font size is too large, so I just small my font size. Okay, now it's look good, but I just want to adjust my text, so I use justify text align justify, so it looks good. You can see it looks good. So the color is not looks good, so I choose different color, like I choose a brown color. Okay, nice, it looks good. You can also increase the width. I just hope it's increase the width also, it looks more good. So now it look fine. Okay, so either you can write dot container or p, or you just directly access the p. You just write p and directly access the p tag also. So this is all about the CSS, and I also learned the p tag more about detail in the next class. So thank you very much for watching this video.